Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. Got a couple of different phone calls this week on I guess a question that I didn't have an answer to because I've never tried it. Two different people called and wanted to know, can you spray C series over top of fully cured H series? And I didn't know the answer. I do know the H series, if you fully cure your H series and spray more coating on top of that, more H series, a lot of times you'll have adhesion issues. It'll start to kind of flake off. So with them being two different series and two different compositions, I don't know the answer to that. So what I've done is I sprayed one of our pieces of flashing with graphite black, fully cured it 300 degrees for an hour, and I had one bottle of C series in the shop, and that's some burnt bronze. So we're just going to spray that over it. Today will be day one. So what I'll do is I'll come out every day and check it and literally kind of update the video as we're going along before finally putting up about a week or so from now. So I've already got the C series shaken up. It's in the gun. I'm going to turn the booth on and just spray this on there real quick. So I'll be right back. So that's it. That C series will take about 3 or 4 hours to be tack free where you can touch it, and then take 7 days to fully cure. So what I'll do is, instead of coming back on camera every day and talking about whether there's a problem or not, I'll just take a picture every day and I'll annotate on the picture what I find. I'll scratch at it a little bit, see if it's going to flake off or if it's just going to bond and not be a problem at all. So, you know, we'll all know at that point. Like I said, just a quick informative video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.